How to find draft videos on YouTube. First thing first, head over to your application YouTube. Once you're in here, click on this plus icon at the bottom. It will open up your camera. You can select the video from the gallery, or you can record by clicking on this button. Let me record one random video for now. Once it's done, click on this arrow at the top left corner, and then click on this cross at the top left corner. Click on Save as Draft. Once it has been saved, now in order to find it out, once again click on this plus icon at the bottom. In here, the option of drafts will be visible to you. Click on it. And there you go. In this section, you will find all the draft videos that you have saved. You can click on any of the draft video. You will also be able to edit the video and then post it as a search. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find our draft videos on YouTube. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.